Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a leprechaun cat for St. Patrick's Day. So we're going to get started with the eyes first. We're going to draw two really big ovals. So here's one and two ovals. Try to make them about the same size if you can, and then we're going to go ahead and draw the pupil. That's going to be another oval on the inside, another oval on the inside, and then we're going to draw a circle. We're going to draw a circle on the inside of each oval. And we're going to go ahead and draw this bean shape on the bottom. So far, your eyes should look like this. And we're going to color in the second biggest oval. So leave the small circle and the bean shape we drew white. Alright, now that we're done coloring, we're going to draw the eyebrows. They go right above the eyes. Then we're going to draw his nose. So we're going to draw a triangle. Draw a triangle for the nose. And then a smile. Our leprechaun kitty's pretty happy. Add a line above his nose for his snout. And then I'm going to draw two whiskers on each side. Because he's a kitty cat, and everyone knows cats have whiskers. Then when we're done, we're going to draw his leprechaun hat. So we need to draw this curve and the line and then the other curve and then stop. Then we're going to draw the top of the hat. So straight line, curves, and then a straight line down. Alright, perfect. We have the shape of the hat. Now we need to add some details. So we're going to draw two lines. Then we're going to add a square in the middle, and then one more square. Alright, perfect, we're done with the hat. Let's move on to his ears. So we're going to draw one triangle, and it comes out from the hat. The hat's a little bit on top of the ears. So then we're going to draw two triangles. One on each side. Then we're going to draw the rest of his head. So we're going to draw a curved line that stops right under his mouth. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Curved line stops right under his mouth. Perfect. Let's move on to the inside of his ears. So we're going to draw another triangle inside of his ear. Another triangle inside of the other ear. Now we have his whole face. His whole face and his whole head are complete. We're going to move on to his body now. We draw this curved line, then this straight-ish line, and then another curved line. That's going to be the basic shape of his body. We're going to add this curved line. That's the top of his shirt. And then just like what we did on the hat, we're going to draw two lines on the shirt. We're gonna draw a square in the middle. And then you guessed it, we're gonna draw one more square right in the center. All right, when you're all done, we're gonna draw his hands and his arms. So straight line for his arm, and then we're gonna draw 4 fingers, and then another straight line. Those hands are kind of out to the side. So straight line, and then 4 fingers, and then straight line back in. He's just a happy little leprechaun kitty. Then we're gonna add curved lines for his sleeves. Curved line for his sleeves. Then we can move on to his feet. So straight line for the leg, curve all the way around, and then straight line back up. There's one foot. Now we just gotta draw one more foot. So straight line, curve all the way around, and then right back up. Excellent. Then let's draw the tail. So it's gonna be a curved line, and then it's gonna curve the same direction on the way out. All right, we're done drawing our leprechaun kitty. Let's go ahead and draw a pot of gold. So we have a straight line with curves on the side. Then we're gonna draw part of a circle for the rest of the pot. Add a couple lines to the inside for some detail. And then we're gonna draw a rainbow coming out of our pot of gold. So here's one line for the top of the rainbow, and then another line for the bottom of the rainbow. So there's our pot of gold and our rainbow. So you can color yours however you want, but I made mine an orange cat with green clothes.